Hello, I'm Ruth Boward and I'm Access Curator for Norfolk Museums and Archaeology Service, and I'm going to talk you through the Reminiscence kits that are currently available for loan through your local library in Norfolk. We developed the kits with our library colleagues to be used with older people and people with dementia, and each one has been designed so they're easy to use, easy to get hold of, and you really don't have to put too much thought into them. They're designed to be used one-on-one. You can use them at home, you could take them into the hospital or the care home if you're visiting somebody. If you're a member of staff in a hospital, you could use them with a group of people or again with an individual. And if you're a reminiscence worker, they're available for you to book out and borrow like everybody else and take with them when you do work in care homes or in hospitals. So I'm going to open up the kits and talk you through just a little bit about what's in each one. This particular kit is our Seaside Holiday kit. As you can see, it comes in a trolley case, so they're really light. You can put them in the back of your car, you can take them on the bus, and they stack quite nicely in the corner of your office or at home. Inside each kit, you'll find the same type of material. We've thought really hard about how to make these easy to use for people, so you don't need any training, you don't have to attend a course. All you really need to do is to follow our guidance notes, and there'll be information in here about exactly what's in each kit and how you can use it. So there's suggestions about how long it should take, the sort of tone of your voice you could use, and again just lots and lots of things to say. So the first bit I'm going to show you is the memory box, and in each kit you will have a memory box. You're usually in a plastic box like this, but sometimes we put them in other containers like suitcases or a toolbox. And you will find in there a range of material. Some of these are artefacts, so some of these are quite old, some of them are replicas, but I guarantee you'll recognise a lot of what's in the box. So in this one, for example, we've got things you can try on, things you can pick up and touch. Some of it may even smell because we have shells in here. And there's books and postcards and a couple of hats as well. All of this material has been chosen so that people should recognise it and should trigger a response and a conversation starter. Just in case you're worried about what you say about each thing or what indeed it is, we also include a detailed checklist of what's in the box. So you don't have to worry about running out of things to say. If you're worried about that, you just look back down at the sheet of paper and you just say the next thing that's on there. So you never have to think about it. Also in the kit, we will provide you with a selection of books. Again, they'll be around the theme. So again, this one was Seaside Holidays, and these books are supplied by the library. This is again designed so that you never really have to think too much about what you have to say. You can just flick through each one. Some of the books are specially designed to be used with people with memory loss, so this is one of the nice picture books that are supplied in the kits. And again, there's be a little something to say on the left-hand side, and then a great picture that you can start talking about with the person you're working with. In addition to that, we usually supply a DVD or a CD. Again, there's nice sensory reactions you can get to watching your favourite children's TV programme or hearing the theme tune that was played on the radio when it came on each time. One last thing to tell you about, which is what makes the kit really special, are the specially designed books called Talk About books. These were put together by a specialist in reminiscence work, and they again will complement the theme of the kit. You'll have images, but most importantly, you just have lots and lots of things to say, lots of things to start a conversation, to trigger a response, and to help you reconnect with somebody. So you never really have to worry about running out of something to say.